Make sure that measurement is accurate to the inch. It is, boss. We double check the east boundary. Hold up here. I want the tripod set up right past this log. Ensure we get a clear reading on that boundary marker. The boundary markers are set here and here. Confirmed, we'll start clearing this section. Check that measurement again. I need 50 feet to that stake. Confirmed, 50 feet. Marking it now. Hold it steady, watch the left side. Okay, lower the bucket now. That's good. Keep going deeper right there. Coming around, clear the area now.
Hold it steady right there. That matches the blueprint grid line. Mark that point for the trench wall. Look here. This trench alignment is off by a few inches. We need to correct it before the inspection.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the edge, easy now. Set it down right there. How's the alignment on this section? Looks good, boss. Secured tight. All right, let's keep moving, watch the dust. Move it to the right, keep it coming. Yeah, right there, hold it steady. Slow it down, watch the edge. Got it, slowing the pump. Right there, mark that point. We need to lift this section slightly. Verify the tension on these bolts. How's the overall stability? Tension is good, sir. Platform is solid. Easy now, easy.
Yeah.
Almost there, watch the anchor bolts.
Oh!
Hold it right there. How's that look? Looks good. Solid alignment. All right, lift it slow. Watch the left side. Coming up, hold it steady right there. Watch that footing up there. Level 3, secure the brace now. Copy that, securing the brace. All right, team, secure that cross beam on the left. Drive those bolts home. We need that next beam up here now. Bringing it over. Is the spacing right? Just checked it, you're clear to set it.
Ensure the spacing is uniform as you sweep. This section is clear for the next layer. Confirmed.
Lift it up, watch the edge. Got it. Is it lined up? Yeah, drill it in. Check the rise and run on that third step. Okay. Angles are perfect, Chief. Base is dead level here too.
This connection point seems a little loose. We need to tighten that before moving forward.
Hold that stud steady. Okay, secure it now. Looks plumb, carry on. Hold that beam steady.
Hey!
All right, secure it now. All right, bring her down slow. Watch the angle on the east side. Coming down steady.
Set it.
Set it, hold it right there. Lift it up, watch the left.
Left, here.
Okay, hold it steady right there. Lock it in. All right, lift that truss up.
Higher, Rick.
Higher, keep it straight. Looks good, lock it in place. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch that left side. Coming down, hold the line steady. All right, bring it left. Easy, easy. Watch that corner.
Yeah.
Hold it steady right there. Perfect.
This section here needs a tighter seal.
I'll grab the caulking gun.
And check the tension on that lower pane.
Run the yellow 12 gauge through this joist bay here. Then drop down to the outlet height.
All right, the gauge is set. Charging the system now. Pressure's holding steady at 50 PSI. Looks good here. It's filling in well. Check the density on that upper panel. Yeah. Looks solid from here. We should be able to close this up soon.
The stability on this section looks good.
Confirm secure.
All right, let's move to the far end. The base cabinets look good, but this counter overhang needs to be adjusted according to the finalized plan here.
All right, guys, let's smooth out this main section.
Yeah.
I'll take the far end. Make sure you get the edges clean. Okay, let's give it a flush and check the seal. Clear flow, looks good.
All right, let's get that ceiling layer down before the sun shifts. And check the alignment on that cladding.
See how that brings out the grain? Yeah. Keep the application even across the whole section. Yeah, looks good. I'll maintain this pace.
All bolts secured on this section, sir. Excellent work, gentlemen. Safety compliance approved.
The texture is holding up well. Looks good. Solid. No issues with stability. Make sure the pressure valve aligns with the schematic here. Got it, lining it up now.
The glass installation is complete. Excellent work. The seals are perfect.
Let's try it right here. Looks good, fits the space perfectly. Yeah. And the chairs? Yeah. They balance the room well. Push it slightly to the left. Easy now. Okay, got it.
Power engaged. We have light in the cabin.
Are you done with the welding yet?
Yep, just finished up.
We're clear to move the railings now.
Lift that panel higher on your end.
That's that there.
Okay, hold it steady right there.
Almost done with this section. Make sure you polish that edge, and the client wants these reflections absolutely perfect. Ensure the ground is fully stabilized before the next load arrives. That looks much better, and I'll make a note of the progress.
Level that section before I bring the next plank over. It's good. Pass me the nails.
We need to double check the bracing right here. Ensure it matches the structural diagram.
According to the plans here, this connection needs to be secured first. All right, I'm twisting the nut now.
All right, let's get that next section of steel up. Tell the crane operator to move in.
Copy that. Move in the girders now.
We've completed the plumbing rough-in. All right, check that off. Let's get the insulation crew started.
team, let's place the sofa against the north wall, just past the window frame.
Careful with the corner, we don't want to scratch the new floors.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch your alignment.
College sleep.
Hold it steady. Almost there. Set it down easy.
Get those beams secured before sunset.
Right away, we're on it.
Check the weld on that support beam. Make sure it holds before the next pour.
The installation looks good, gentlemen. Excellent work on the interior finishing. Glad to have this wrapped up, ready for final inspection.
The plumbing looks good, and we're right on schedule for the rough-in inspection tomorrow. The schematic shows the outflow connection right here. Copy that. Securing the fitting now. Looks good. Confirmed complete.
Swing it left. Watch the alignment on column 4. Copy that, bringing it down slowly. All right, guide that beam in. Watch the support structure on the left. Clear over here, lower it slowly.
The final inspection is complete. Everything is perfect.
Yeah. Excellent work. Congratulations on a successful build.